Hello everyone. This is the final video for section 4.2, and we're actually now going to talk about the first learning objective. Define three common types of chemical reactions: precipitation, acid-base, and oxidation reduction, as well as the next one, classify chemical reactions as one of these three types given appropriate descriptions or chemical equations. So this is basically a summary of the section. We're introducing three types of reactions that are very important in chemistry that you should be familiar with. So the precipitation reaction we discussed. So you would, in addition to the things we talked about, you would need to do with the precipitation reaction, you would need to be able to, by just looking at the equation, know that that is the type of reaction that is being shown. Likewise, for an acid-base reaction, and let's go ahead and find the neutralization reaction. So we're showing one here. In addition to being able to predict that, as we discussed earlier, if you were to see it, could you classify it as an acid-base reaction? And then finally, a redox reaction. So here's an example of one. There's other examples as well. If you were to see a redox reaction, and actually the most common ones you would see there would be, let's find them, the single displacement reactions, that you could classify those as redox reactions. So we're kind of, this one was this section of the module was set up a little bit differently than others, and I would honestly say the textbook could be a bit better organized in this area, in that we have the we kind of have come to the initial learning objectives at the end, and then went through them in sort of a different order than they were arranged in the textbook. We didn't cover all of the information here. And again, the learning objectives in the textbook, I don't think are doing a great job of explaining exactly what the important details are here. Hopefully, though, you will see from the worksheets on Canvas as well as the homework what areas will require the most focus.